In this video, we'll walk through the steps of giving a student special access to a quiz. To begin, click on Quizzes, and then click on the quiz in question. From here, click on the Restrictions tab, and a quick overview of the settings here. The availability settings control when the class has access to the quiz. So for example, perhaps the entire class has from 4/26 of 2012 to 5/3 of 2012. And as we scroll down, here are our timing options, whether or not we want that to be enforced, our grace period, and how we want D2L to handle late submissions. So right now, if we were to save this quiz in the settings, everyone in the class would have access from this start date to this end date. However, if we want to give one particular student special access, if we scroll down, the settings under Advanced Availability allow us to do that. So there's two options here. The first one reads Allow selected users special access to the quiz. The next one reads Allow only users with special access to the quiz. So if we only want to let one student access the quiz, we would choose this option. However, if we want the entire class to access the quiz, but just one student have special access, we leave it set at this first option. And then we click Add Users to Special Access. So at this point, we find the user that we want to give special access to, we place a check next to their name, and then we set their availability and their time limit, their grace period, and how you want D2L to handle their late submission. So for example, we may want to give this student another week to take the quiz, and we may want to give them more time. Perhaps a grace period would remain the same, and allow normal submissions perhaps would remain the same as well. So at this point, we would click Add Special Access, and we can see that this student now has a different access rights or different window of opportunity than the rest of the class.